Hi you guys, welcome to my weekly grocery haul. I just did a Walmart pickup and got everything that we need for the whole week. So I'm going to share with you. I have a family of 4, me and my husband and my 2 boys. So this is what we are going to eat. I wrote down our meal plan. I will share that with you as well on how I'm going to use all these groceries. So as you know, I am doing Vlogmas, which is a video every single day of the month of December to celebrate the holidays, and I absolutely love it. So every Tuesday, I'm going to be sharing with you my grocery haul. So make sure you check back each week. I will share with you my meal plans for the week and what we're making and what we're up to. So make sure you subscribe, and I will be having tons of videos, and it is so much fun making all of these videos for you, especially these holiday themed videos. So it is really, really fun. I hope that you enjoy them. So let me share with you everything we got for our groceries this week. If you have been around my channel, you know I love to stay around $200 per week. So this week I was right at $200, and it's like fun for me every week to keep my budget at $200. So I kind of can move things around if we want to do like a really nice kind of more expensive type dinner, like doing like tri-tip and artichokes and stuff like that. Then I kind of even out the other nights with some cheaper meals. So I like to just play with the budget, make sure I'm at $200, make sure I'm not going over budget. So every week under $200. So this week I was under, and makes me super excited. I was at $198. So I'll show you everything I got for $198. So here are all of the groceries, and I got some extra things this week because, like I said, going to be doing a video every day the month of December, and I got some treats to make with some videos. Some Rolos. The boys and I are going to do some reindeer pretzels. So I'm going to be doing videos with the boys every week, as well some baking with the kids and some Pokemon pizzas that they want to make. So lots of extra little things that we're going to be up to. So I wanted to share all of that with you. I'll start over on this side with our almond milk that we get every week. My husband uses these for smoothies. Our regular milk, my kids love cereal. They love milk for just about all of their meals. I got some heavy whipping cream. I'm going to be doing a creamy chicken and rice soup, so that will be in there. Our sliced cheese for sandwiches. Our shredded cheese we use a lot for, my kids love quesadillas. We put shredded cheese like on eggs, tacos, tons of cheese. I got my favorite carb balance tortillas. So this whole tortilla, it's a burrito size, 5 carbs, and we love these burritos. I got some blackberries because I'm going to use these in a cocktail. I'm going to be doing cocktail videos every Friday. Mom will stop by on some. If you were around my channel last year, she came and made some cocktails with me. So it was really, really fun. But I got some blackberries we're going to use for like a blackberry Cosmo. Some dark chocolate chips. These are also going to be for a fun holiday video. Under here, I already showed you the Rolos. Under here are these little pizza crusts. So there's 3 in here, and they're kind of like a personal size, super cute. But we're going to make Pokemon ball pizzas. My kids are obsessed with Pokemon, so they wanted to make these pizzas that we saw a picture of them on Pinterest. So we'll make those, and we'll make a video of that to show you. Tons of fruit, bananas, tons and tons of apples. I started recently getting the Pink Lady apples, and my husband absolutely loves them. So I definitely am not going back to the Fuji apples. These are really, really good. I love apples with peanut butter, like one of my favorite snacks. So we go through a lot of apples. These olives, they're for the Pokeball pizza. Cottage cheese, one of my favorite snacks. So good, high in protein. Vanilla Greek yogurt. My husband loves Greek yogurt. So he ran out because I got 1 tub last week, and he says, I'm really a 1.5 container a week person, so got 2 to stock up for him. Cranberry juice, that's going to be for a cocktail, and I always like to get the Great Value brand. It is way cheaper than the name brands and tastes just the same. Some jalapeno artichoke dip to make for an appetizer. The stuff is seriously so good, so addicting. 2 things of black beans. Always have to have these in the pantry. For my husband makes a ton of burritos, like with grilled chicken, beans, and avocado and different things. I got one thing of clam chowder back here because I was really craving clam chowder, and I just need one, and then I think I'll be good. So I got some Ritz. We were out. I like these whole wheat ones, just a little bit healthier. So I got some cranberries for a cocktail and for a garnishment, super Christmassy. 2 packs of eggs. We go through a ton of eggs. Here is avocados we love, and there's an onion inside the same bag as the avocado. But the onion is going to be for my creamy rice chicken soup. Avocados we love with eggs and salads, and the kids just love, they just eat avocado with a spoon. So we go through a lot of avocados. Celery for the soup. Broccoli. I got the big bag of broccoli this week because we're going to have it with salmon for dinner. And then I'm also going to use it for my meal prep for the week. So this is a pork loin. And you guys, this is a giant pork loin. A few, maybe like, I don't know, 6 or 8 weeks ago, I got a pork loin and showed you guys in my grocery pickup. This is the same one. But it was like the skinniest pork loin ever. And this one is like the biggest pork loin ever. It's so funny, but it's so good. We just love this. My kids love it. My husband can make sandwiches out of this for lunch. So definitely we love this pork loin. Super easy to make. I just bake it in the oven. Popcorn for snacks. My kids absolutely love popcorn. Big, huge thing of peanut butter. Really good. So down here, so I got a bunch of salmon, 2 things of salmon right here, because like I said, I'm going to do salmon and broccoli for dinner, and then I'm also going to do a salmon rice bowl for my lunch meal prep. And then under here is our chicken breast for the week that we will grill up. We use for sandwiches, salads. We'll have it for, and I'll put it in my soup, but definitely tons of things that we'll use the chicken for. Our favorite brown and serve maple sausage, super good. Frozen strawberries for smoothies. Pack of blueberries. Edamame we love for dinner. It's just frozen and steams in this bag, which is awesome. Grapes, my kids' absolute favorites. Corn dogs, I promised them I would get them these. I haven't been getting them a lot of corn dogs lately, but they could basically like live off of these. So just a little 6-pack to give them a little treat. Mini pretzel twists. These are going to be for the little reindeer pretzels that we're making. They're going to be so super cute, I hope. Some bread for Benjamin's peanut butter sandwiches. This is the kind he likes. Croutons for my salads. We have been going through a crazy amount of pistachios lately. Everyone in the family has been really into pistachios. So we go through about a bag of these a week. Crazy. Lettuce for my salads for the week. Sandwich thins for my husband's sandwiches. So that is all of the groceries that we got. Here is the meal plan that I have written out. So for dinners, I put days to them, but sometimes I kind of mix things around. We're going to do salmon and broccoli on Monday. We usually almost always do tacos on Tuesday to do a little Taco Tuesday, but we're also really busy on Tuesdays, so it's super quick because I already have the taco meat made and frozen in the freezer. Wednesday, we're going to do the pork loin with edamame. Thursday, I'm going to make the chicken and rice soup. I'm going to make that in my Dutch oven. It's supposed to rain on Thursday, so I thought soup would be absolutely perfect because it's cold and wet out. Friday, we're going to do chicken Caesar salad. Saturday, spaghetti and meatballs. My kids absolutely love spaghetti and meatballs. And then Sunday, we have a Christmas party at our golf course country club, so we will be eating there. For my lunch meal prep for the week, I'm going to do a teriyaki salmon rice bowl. I'm going to do some breakfast meal prep also. I will share that with you guys as well in one of my videos. I'm going to do some egg cups, which I love, and smoothie cups. My husband's been having a ton of smoothies, so I'm going to prep his smoothies for him so that he doesn't have to get out everything that he uses for them. So that's the meal plan. These are the groceries. I have been having so much fun so far this month making videos every day for you, so I hope that you enjoy them. If you are new, like I said earlier, make sure you click subscribe. I have tons of videos coming up, and I am super excited to share them with all of you. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.